After purchasing 3 different sets of push rods, we finally got the correct one in. I don't have a lot of time, so we're just going to do a quick video on how to put these guys in. I've got the motor in, I don't want the transmission. It's a lot easier if you have the transmission. You can pop it in 4th gear, and you could just spin the fucking rear wheel, and then that's going to move your motor pretty easy. I'm going to have to move it by hand. What we're going to start with is the front exhaust, and you can actually tell the difference in this length. That's your front exhaust one. So right here, and then we'll just work our way back. So I'm going to turn it over until this front is at the lowest point, which it should, I might already be at the lowest point, to be honest with you. There's also a big end and a small end. Small end's going to go at the bottom onto your tappet. And that is it. So I'm going to get this guy all the way up to the top. Right? Basically what you want is no up and down play, but you want side to side play. All the way down. Should be a 7/16, I believe. I'm gonna lock that into place. Okay, so those two are in. We'll just work our way back. Cool. And now, sometimes these guys can be a bitch. This guy fits up at the top, and then this springs down. I don't even know if I can show you from this angle. Just grab a flathead, push down. All right, the lip on top of that, I'm just making sure that's in there. The screwdriver has leverage underneath to push that lip down, and then push with the thumb. That guy's in. All right, guys, that's how you do push rods, or at least that's how I do push rods. Sure there's something I missed, or, you know, whatever. Transmission shit should get here maybe early next week. We'll get that put together, get the drivetrain all in here, hopefully wire it up, see if I can get spark. I still need a carb and exhaust, so I might just get that ordered. I might order the exhaust or order some cheapo exhaust or like a DIY kit, I don't know. Once we get that sorted though, we'll be able to fire this guy up. And then it's really just all little shit, brakes, fender, shit like that.